Hey everyone, this is Whisper here back again, and today, I haven't done one of these in quite a while. I'm going to be doing a food review today, and the food I'm going to review today is the KFC Nashville hot chicken sandwich combo. Now, my cousin told me something about this on my way back home from the dentist, so I considered trying it myself and do a food review for you guys. So, with that being said, let's take it out and see what's in here. Got the old box with the Kentucky Fried Chicken logo and the man himself. Napkins. The receipt it's gone, so I can't review that sadly. But let's see what's in here. But if you want to read what's also in here, you could pause the video now. I ain't gonna read it to you. But let's see what's in here. Shall we? Let's put it in here. Let's see if I can get this open. Let's see. What do we have? Let's see. Open this flap. And, ooh, look at that. Look at that, guys. We got the Nashville spicy hot chicken sandwich. And some potato fries. Not something you see every day. Anyways, let's take some of these contents out and see what we have here. We got the old Nashville chicken. It feels a bit hot too. Like it should be. Got the old potato fries. I'm gonna try them right now. Good as always. You want some? Here. Sniff it. The rest is mine. Alright, now we had a little bit of an appetizer. Time for the biggest moment. That's right. The Nashville hot chicken. It's time to try it. See what's in here. Wrapped in aluminum foil. Let's see what's in here. Oh god, it's starting to smell hot too. Okay, open this up. Oh, yeah, that's starting to smell hot too. Got pickle. Starting to smell hot too. I'm not sure what it smells like. But this is what we have. We got the old bun. The old spicy patty. And some pickles, which I think you just saw one fell. Yeah. So, with that being said, and you got some mayonnaise inside here too. So, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know how my spice tolerance is going to tolerate this. But I do want to give a shout out to KFC for making this awesome. For making this. If you wanna get this or find more about information about the sandwich, go onto the KFC website, which I'll put in the link in the description box below. So with that being said, let's give it a shot. I'm scared. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh. Taking a big bite now. It's already getting pretty hot. Whew. I want to give it another bite. jeez. Yeah, the soda does nothing. I refuse to quit. I don't refuse to quit at this point, because that is really spicy. Oh my god. I guess for the heck of it, before I finish up the sandwich, I'll try some of the regular fries. One more. Another one. One more. That kind of makes it a little better. Alright. I'm gonna give this one more bite for the heck of it. Okay. Yeah. That is spicy. If you guys are people that is spicy. Anyways, I still gotta finish off the spinach, but I refuse to quit, but I may be having a problem in the toilet later on, but anyways, I'm gonna finish this and the fries off, so with that being said, as Ken Dominic would say, hang on. Let's finish off the fries here, so here we go again. And that's it, pretty much. I just want to say that sandwich was spicy. Even probably, I think if it would have been a regular chicken, that would probably be spicy as well. But in any cases, guys, that was a good sandwich nonetheless, despite the spice level. However, if you are not used to spicy food, I probably would not recommend getting it. But as for my recommendation for the people who are used to spicy food, who likes it, or dare to challenge them to it, I'd probably give the recommendation somewhere in the middle, probably like a 5. Considering how spicy it is, and how good it is, considering the source. But if you're not used to spicy food, I probably not recommend eating it. Unless you want to try it, or dare to do it. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this food review. That's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video coming soon. Peace.